สวัสดีค่ะทุกคน Hi everyone, my name is Maud. I'm 39 years old. I'm Thai. Currently live in Houston, Texas. Um, Talking about myself briefly. Let's see. I was born and raised in Chiang Mai, Thailand until 2007 that I decided to move to the US by myself. I was growing up in a household with the great cooks, which were my dad and my grandmom, who was his mom. So when I was young, I didn't have any urge to learn how to cook because why should I? Because I had like such great cooks at home. They always prepared such good food for us. Until I was on my late teenagers, I don't remember exactly how I was at that time. I was just came up with the idea like I wanted to make something, so I decided to make a white radish with a pork bone soup. I don't know why I picked that dish, but I did. Anyway, so I made the food. It came out horrible. I couldn't eat it. I didn't dare myself to ask anybody to try it, so I decided to give my dog the pork bones from the soup. And the sad news was my dog didn't even eat the pork bones, so that just crushed my self-esteem. Since then, I told myself like cooking it wasn't my talent, so I'm not gonna pursue any cooking thing. I'm just gonna go buy whatever from the market and that's it. Until 2007 that I told you I decided to move to the US. I talked with my mom. My mom told me like I need to have some cooking skill basics. So she's like, before you move from Thailand to the US, I'm gonna send you to a cooking school. Get some basic skill, and then you can cook it when you move. I was like, thanks, mom. It's like with her kindness and generosity, she sent me to cooking school for 5 days, and then since then my cooking journey has begun. Let's talk about a recipe that I want to share with you guys today. I chose to share the recipe called Nam Prik Ong. Nam Prik Ong is a Thai Northern dish. It's a dip that based on, let's see, Thai dry chilies, shallots, tomatoes, shrimp paste, and ground pork. Speaking about that, the ground pork, I'm gonna talk about my grandmom's recipe a little bit. My grandmom loved to cook food with lard. So her recipe, she's gonna use lard to cook it, and she told me like she always like to pick the meat that has some fat in it, like the pork butt, the pork belly was her choice. She said those fat was just like a natural juice that come out for the food and make the food taste better. I was like, okay, that's fine. You're right, grandma. Your food was great. I didn't have problem with that until I learned about nutrition, and I learned that fat and cholesterol is not my good friend. So I decided like, man, I have to step up and change something a little bit for the food that I love and for my health. So what you see here are the Nam Prik Ong ingredients. I just changed the couple things of the ingredients to make it healthier. So you can see that I have the ground chicken breast instead of the pork, and I chose to use the olive oil instead of lard. So let's start with the ingredients. I have 1.5 pounds of ground chicken breast, 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes, 25 dry bird-eyed chilies, 10 garlic cloves, 2 ounces of shallots, 2 tablespoons of shrimp paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you guys like this video and the recipe, try it, let me know, and please vote for me so I can go to Thailand to visit my family. Thank you. Bye.